I've been writing quite a bit recently about palatable gardening, making a raised container from a recycled pallet and then growing palatable crops. Actually, the containers don't look too bad once you've got them reshaped and a little bit of wood preservative. It's lined with polythene, and in here I've got a dwarf broad bean called the Sutton. It's a particularly good variety for this sort of use because it's compact, but will have a good lot of pods given a few more weeks of time. And alongside I've got peas. This is the variety Meteor, although I'm a bit worried because it's got a few strangers in it. The seedsmen didn't clean that quite as well as they should. And I've just got some prunings, some shrub prunings as pea sticks to support them. And you can see there's a good lot of pods there. I would see 2 pickings for a family of 4 at least. And of course, if you're going to have really lovely young fresh peas picked from the garden and opened like that, then you'll need a bit of fresh mint too. And of course, it's not too difficult to grow a pot of mint. But I've got a bit of a decision to make now, because when I do pick all of these and strip it out, what do? I could plant another crop of peas, and if you do that, then you need a variety like this, Terrain, because it can be sown well into June and perhaps the first week in July, because it crops well in the autumn and is resistant to mildew, which can be a real disease problem with other kinds. Or I could plant French beans, and again I could grow a compact one, or be tempted, I think, to come up much taller, use 5 or 6 canes, make a tripod, and sow climbing French beans. That would crop really heavily for weeks.